So dear students, meantime we have discussed about the calculation of mode under individual and discrete series, in which we have gone through two methods of each. Fine, now this is the time to discuss about the continuous series. As I told you in the कैलकुलेशन ऑफ डिस्क्रीट सीरीज एज वेल कि बेटा जैसे डिस्क्रीट में हमारे पास दो मेथड्स होते हैं, इंस्पेक्शन एंड ग्रुपिंग, सिमिलरली कंटिन्यूस सीरीज में भी यही बेटा, inspection method and the next is grouping method. In inspection we will have to inspect the most fashionable digit of the frequency. So in front of that, whatever the group will be there, we will select that the same as mode group. You must recall that at the beginning of this chapter only I told you ki we have only single formula under the calculation of mode, and that will be included in continuous series only. So as now we have started continuous series, so let's begin with the first method, which is inspection method. And students, you all are required to please copy all these things in your notebook. Fine, as from the beginning I have been telling you the same. So at first, what is the formula under this inspection method? This is also known as observation method. Fine, observation or inspection, both we can say. And if we talk about this formula, then it is MO is equals to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by I. Basically, you know what is the requirement of this formula under this continuous series? Because the whatever the group we will be getting of the most fashionable digit of the frequency, that will be in the range of L1 and L2. So for getting the exact value of the mode, we will have to put the same values under this formula. जैसे discrete series में we were having only x and f, तो जो भी maximum frequency है उसके सामने वाली value that will be mode. लेकिन यहाँ क्या होगा बेटा, they will be class और group L1 और L2. तो उन दोनों के अप्रोक्सीमेटली बीच में या फिर कहाँ पे कौन सी वैल्यू आएगी, सो दैट वी कैन कंसिडर द सेम एज अ मोड. तो इसीलिए अब हमें यहाँ पे फॉर्मूले की रिक्वायरमेंट है. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला MO? इट कैन बी नोन एज Z एज वेल, वी नो दैट वेरी वेल. दिस इज L1. L1 इज द लोअर लिमिट ऑफ द क्लास. वॉट एवर द क्लास इज देयर, उस क्लास की जो भी लोअर लिमिट होती है L1, दैट विल बी पुट हियर. नेक्स्ट इज F1 माइनस F0. अब ये जो F1, F0, F2 है बेटा, बेटर कि मैं इसको आपको एक एग्जाम्पल के साथ ही क्लियर करूं, सो दैट यू विल बी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कौन सा F1 हमें कंसीडर करना है, विच विल बी F0 एंड द व्हाट विल बी द F2. फाइन, सी हियर इट इज 2F1. दिस 2 इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय F1 ओनली. ठीक है, यहां गलती से भी बेटा इस तरह से कुछ ब्रैकेट मार्क मत कर देना, और डोंट थिंक दैट दिस 2 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद द वैल्यू ऑफ F1, F0, F2. नो, this will be multiplied by the value of only F1 itself. सिर्फ F1 से multiplication होगा इसका. Then the I, this stands for class interval, the difference between L1 and L2, that will be put here for the multiplication of the same. Fine beta. So this is the formula. Now let's proceed towards the numerical part. Now suppose there are some of the classes, and class is like this: 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and this 60 to 70. Frequency can be like this: 4, 3, 8, 7, 2, 1. Okay, so these are the classes and frequency. Now first and foremost thing which I need to make clear to you all, कि हमारा inspection method कहाँ suitable होगा बेटा. I told you when we discussed about the discrete series as well, कि हमें inspection और grouping method को खुद ही inspect करना होगा, that which method should we implement. Getting my point? In case if any of the maximum frequency is getting repeated or is having the nearby frequencies or nearby numbers in the frequency, in that situation always we will have to go through grouping method. As you can see here, the maximum frequency is 8. And what I told for the another condition, any of the nearby number of the maximum frequency, that is what 7, that also exists here. Fine. तो इस वाले इक्वेशन में तो हमारा इंस्पेक्शन मेथड इंप्लीमेंट नहीं हो सकता. Here we will have to implement grouping method. तो अब मुझे क्या करना है बेटा, यहाँ पे फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज करूं. That 7 only I have taken only to make you all understand कि बेटा कभी भी अगर ऐसा केस हो कि मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी के नियर बाय वाला नंबर भी अगर फ्रीक्वेंसी में इंक्लूड होता है, उस सिचुएशन में इंस्पेक्शन मेथड ना लगा के ग्रुपिंग मेथड लगाना है. बट एज यू नो दैट वी आर डिस्कसिंग the group inspection method here, that is why I'm going to change this digit. Fine. Now see, as it is inspection method, what is the maximum frequency, what is the fashionable digit here? It is 8. So first of all we will have to mention a statement that is what 8 is maximum frequency so mode group is, this will be the mode group 30 to 40. 30 to 40, that's it. Clear? What is the formula? MO is equals to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. फाइन बेटा, मैं अब इसकी वैल्यूज को पहले यहां साइड में डिस्प्ले कर रहा हूं. L1 is equals to this 30. What is F1 F0 which I told you at the time of the formula कि मैं उसको आपको क्वेश्चन के साथ क्लियर करूंगा. See बेटा, whatever the frequency is maximum, fine, that will be always F1. क्लास में जिसके हाईएस्ट मार्क्स होते हैं उसको फर्स्ट रैंक देते हैं ना. सिमिलरली है कि जिसकी भी फ्रीक्वेंसी मैक्सिमम है दैट इज F1. अब हम चलते हैं काउंटिंग पे. काउंटिंग में 1 आता है, 1 से पहले क्या आता है 0, तो इससे पहले वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी हो जाएगी 0. और सीक्वेंस में 2 कहां पे आता है आफ्टर 1, सो इसके बाद वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी हो जाएगी F2. दैट्स इट, सो सिंपल. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट. सबसे पहले हमें फोकस करना है कि मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है, दैट विल बी द फर्स्ट. उससे ठीक पहले वाले ग्रुप की फ्रीक्वेंसी F0 और उसी से नेक्स्ट वाले ग्रुप की फ्रीक्वेंसी इज F2. फाइन, पुट करते हैं इसकी वैल्यूज को. F1 is equals to 8, F0 is 3 and F2 5 and the next is I. Class interval is 30 to 40, the difference is of 10. L1 is 30 plus F1 is 8 minus 3 upon 2 multiply by 8. बस हमें बेटा 8 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. minus 3 minus 5 into 10. Is it? Now 30 plus 8 minus 3 is equals to 5 upon 2 multiply by 8, 16 minus. This minus minus will be in plus. So 3 and 5. This is 8. The sign will be minus only and multiply by 10. Fine. Now 30 plus 50 upon 8. क्लियर बेटा? 30 प्लस 50 अपॉन 8 क्या, क्योंकि 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 5 को, 16 माइनस 8 इज इक्वल्स टू 8 अगेन. एंड एज फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग आई हैव बीन टेलिंग यू बेटा कि फ्रैक्शन वाइज सोल्यूशन करो, दैट विल बी फार बेटर, है ना. सो दिस इज 50 अपॉन 8. क्या करेंगे, 30 प्लस 50 अपॉन 8 इज इक्वल्स टू 6 पॉइंट, रिमेनिंग वैल्यूज 2 then 5 and equals to 30 plus 6.25, 36.25 is the value of mode and this is the answer. I repeat the question again. Classes and frequencies are there. You have to observe the maximum frequency, that is 8. Give the statement that 8 is maximum frequency, so mode group is 30 to 40. The next is formula M0 is equals to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by I. Value should be presented at the site. Put the same values there in the formula. Do the needful calculation. You will get the final answer. That's it. So this is what we have completed. The first method of continuous series, that is inspection or observation method. Now the next is grouping method, the very last method of the calculation of mode. Now see children, there are few of the steps which we are required to follow for the solution of the question. The very first step is grouping table. Situation and conditions will be same. I mean the circumstances when we need to implement this grouping method. By the way, it can happen that you will be getting the direct question that calculate the mode from the following given data using grouping method. In that situation you are bound. Or in case if you don't find any of the statement related to the method, in that situation you need to observe the question whether the maximum frequency will be on the repeated mode, or it can happen that there will be any of the nearby number of the maximum frequency in the question. In that situation you need to implement this grouping method. Now what are the steps? Step number 1 is grouping table, that we already have discussed in discrete series. Second is the analysis table. We need to create this analysis table. And next will be selection of mode group. As we selected the value of mode directly in the discrete series, here we are having the continuous series, groups will be there, so only appropriate group will be selected out of all. Fine. Then next will be the formula, implementation of the same, and the formula is very simple, that is MO is equals to L1 plus F1 minus F0.2, F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by I. Fine beta. So now let's proceed towards the question. So now this is the question in front of you that will be solved using grouping method. Classes are there and frequencies there. Again I am repeating the terms and conditions of the implementation of this grouping method, that is what? Repetition of the maximum frequency, or maybe the any of the near figure of the maximum frequency. The condition number 2 is going to be implemented here, that is what? 8 is the maximum frequency, you can see variable. Nearby is 7. Getting? Both of the things are there, so by default we will have to go through grouping method. Calculations are as well. In the column number 2 it is 1 plus 2. As you know that this is considered as column number 1. 1 plus 2 states for this 3 plus 2. The value is 5. अब बेटा यहाँ देखिए, remember discrete series में जो भी variables है उन variables को I put here because that will be helpful in the analysis table. Got it? अब यहाँ क्या है groups. तो बेटा यहाँ space कम है, इस वजह से मैं यहाँ दो groups को club कर रहा हूँ. That is वो कैसे? It is 1 plus 2 ना. So 1 plus 2 में क्या लिया? 10 to 30. Clear? So that it will be helpful there also in the analysis table. Next is 1 plus 4. Again it is 5. The numbers are 30 to 50. Then next is 8 plus 5 is equals to 13. And values are 50 to 70. It remains single. Let it be. Next is 2 plus 3. 1 will be left, 2 plus 3. Okay, the value is 3. Groups are 20 to 40. Okay, next is 4 plus 8. The value is 12 and groups are 40 to 60. Next is 5 plus 7. It is 12 and value is 60 to 80. Next column is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Fine. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 and groups are 10 to 40. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. And groups 40 to 70. It will left remain. Next is 2 plus 3 plus 4. 1 will be left. 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4, 7. Groups are 20 to 50. Next is 2 plus 3 plus 4. Next 2 plus 3 plus 4. 8 plus 5 plus 7. 20 and the groups are 50 to 80. Next is 3 plus 4 plus 5, 1, 2 will be left, 3 plus 4 plus 5, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 8, 13. and the groups are 30 to 60. Fine. Next, whatever the maximum numbers are there, we need to encircle them. Here it is 8 in column number 2, 13, column number 3, it is repeating 12 and 12. Both will be considered, okay, no issue. Next is 17, then next is 20, and the last at a single, so it will be the maximum one. वही process जो हमने discrete series में किया था. Now next is analysis table. For this we need two things. The one is class and the other is column. We have 6 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the last 6. Okay. Classes starts from 10 to 20, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and the last is 70 to 80. Okay. Now proceed towards column number 1. The maximum frequency is 8 of 50 to 60. Column number 1, 50 to 60. यहाँ हम single bar put करेंगे. You can put single bar or tick as well. Both are correct. You can go through both. Next, column number 2. The maximum is 13. Is covered under 50 to 70. Means 50 to 70 means 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. ठीक है, दोनों कॉलम्स के अंदर आएगा. नेक्स्ट आता है कॉलम नंबर 3 एंड द फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 12 एंड 12. बेटा दोनों रिपीट हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे. सो द फर्स्ट इट विल गो इन 40 टू 60. हियर 40 टू 50 एंड 50 टू 60 एंड द नेक्स्ट इज 60 टू 80. इसी में हमें आगे कंटिन्यू करना होगा 60 टू 80 एज वेल. कॉलम नंबर 4 इज 70. इट इज 17. कहां कवर हो रहा है? 40 टू 70 में. Means 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. Column number 5, maximum is 20, covers the group 50 to 80, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. And the last is 13, covers the group 30 to 60. Means 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Clear beta? The next will be total 0, next again 0, for it is 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3, next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, next 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 1 and 2. Now remember what steps I told you. After the analysis table we need to select the mode group and the maximum frequency is 6. 6 is of 50 to 60. So that will be the mode group. Getting my point? ये भी हमने सिर्फ मोड ग्रुप को फाइंड आउट किया है. अब क्या करेंगे बेटा? इंप्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ फॉर्मूला. आई टोल्ड यू द सेम थिंग कि बेटा आप वीडियो पॉज करके इसको कॉपी जरूर कर लीजिएगा. फॉर्मूला विल बी द वेरी सेम. फॉर्मूला इज MO L1 प्लस F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into Y. Values of L1 lower limit is 50, F1, F0, F2 and I. What I told you beta. अब ये वाला group select हुआ है as maximum frequency. So the frequency of this will be F1. Then it will be F0 and this will be F2. Fine beta. Values copy करते हैं. F1 is 8, F0 is 4, F2 is 5 and I class interval is 10. L1 50 plus 8 minus 4 upon 2 multiply by 8 minus 4 minus 5 multiply by 10. 50 plus 8 minus 4, 4 upon 2 multiply by 8, 16 minus 4 minus 5. ऐड करेंगे 9 multiply by 10. क्लियर बेटे? So 50 plus 4 divided by 8 minus 16 minus 9 multiply by 10. 4 को multiply करें 10 से, 40 upon 16 minus 9 is equals to 7. और वही चीज बेटा जो always I tell you, यहाँ पे या तो फ्रैक्शन वाइज डिवीजन या फिर एलसीएम, एंड आई प्रेफर व्हाट डिवीजन ओनली, क्योंकि उससे हमारी कैलकुलेशन सिंपल हो जाती है. सो 50 प्लस 40 डिवाइडेड बाय 7 इज इक्वल्स टू 5.71. ठीक है, 40 को डिवाइड किया 5 टाइम्स 35.71 ऐड करेंगे इज इक्वल्स टू 55.71 इज द आंसर ऑफ MO. So these only there were two methods under continuous series. What we have discussed in the measures of central tendency. The first was mean, then median, quartiles, and the last is mode. So now see you all in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye everyone.